Imagine working in an environment where a gas you can't see could take your life within minutes. That's the reality of hydrogen sulfide, or H₂S. According to the CDC, exposure to this highly toxic gas is responsible for around 100 fatalities every year in the United States. It's often called a silent killer because while it may smell like rotten eggs at first, it quickly paralyzes your sense of smell, making it impossible to detect danger. This is why proper training is not optional, it's critical. The Hydrogen Sulfide Safety training course from OSHA Education School is designed to give you the knowledge and confidence to work safely in environments where H₂S may be present. Hydrogen sulfide is commonly found in industries such as oil and gas, mining, wastewater treatment, and manufacturing. It forms naturally from the breakdown of organic materials and can accumulate in low-lying or confined spaces because it is heavier than air. What makes H₂S especially dangerous is how quickly it affects the body. At lower levels, exposure can cause symptoms like headaches, dizziness, nausea, and irritation of the eyes and respiratory system. But at higher concentrations, it can lead to rapid unconsciousness, respiratory failure, and even death if immediate action is not taken. This course teaches you how to recognize these warning signs and understand how hydrogen sulfide impacts different parts of the body, including the nervous system and respiratory system. You'll also learn how to properly detect the presence of H₂S using reliable monitoring equipment. Since smell is not a dependable warning method, electronic detection systems and monitoring tools play a critical role in keeping workers safe. Another key focus of the training is personal protection. You'll understand why certain respirators are not suitable for H₂S environments and why supplied air respirators or self-contained breathing apparatus are necessary when working in potentially hazardous conditions. The course also prepares you for emergency situations. You'll learn how to respond quickly and safely, from evacuating the area in the correct direction to assisting others and performing rescue procedures without putting yourself at risk. This training is essential for workers, supervisors, and safety professionals in high-risk industries. By completing this course, you'll gain the skills needed to recognize hazards, respond effectively, and protect lives, including your own. And once you complete the training, you'll receive a certificate of completion to validate your expertise. Enroll today in the Hydrogen Sulfide Safety training course from OSHA Education School. Click the link in the description to start your training now.